Hello and welcome to our look at the Jafeton Rainfall Shower Head with its massive spray face. This large rainfall head provides full body coverage for a relaxing and luxurious spa experience at home. You can easily switch between the overhead rain shower and the versatile 6-mode hand spray. The unique hand shower even features a waterfall mode for a truly premium and soothing feel. A 15-inch brass extension arm allows you to adjust the height and angle with ease. Installation is simple and fast, so you can upgrade your bathroom in just a few minutes. Enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year warranty on this durable and high-quality system. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.